Welcome to the German Masterclass. In today's tutorial, you will learn when and how to use the ordinal numbers. In German, die Ordinalzahlen. Let's have a look at this. Ordinal numbers are used for sequences and position of elements in a succession of elements. Here are some examples. Heute ist der 1. April. It's the first day in the month of April. So what you can do is you can write the full number, or you can use the number with a dot. Second example, Friedrich der Zweite. It's the descendant of Friedrich the First. Ich wohne in der 3. Etage. I live on the 3rd floor. Same here. First written out, and here the number with the dot. When we want to form the ordinal numbers, we have to separate them. The first group are the numbers from 1 to 19. And here, what we basically do is we are adding the ending TE to the cardinal number. As you can see here, TE. There are some exceptions, so some of the numbers are irregular. You just have to remember them. The first one is erste, dritte is the second one, and siebte is the third one. But all the other ones come just with the cardinal number plus the ending TE. 2 becomes zweite. 4 becomes vierte. And it goes on until the number 19, 19. Whenever you write an ordinal number in the German language, put a dot behind it so everybody knows that it's an ordinal number. From 20 onwards, we have to add the ending STE to the cardinal number. So 20 becomes then 20ste, 21, 21ste, 22, 22ste, and so on and so forth. Here we have 30, it changes to 30ste. So that's basically it. We can practice this with this first exercise. Welcher Tag ist heute? Which day is today? Heute ist der 19. Morgen ist der, so tomorrow is the 20th, der 20. Gestern war der 18. Übermorgen ist der, so the day after tomorrow ist der 21st, der 21. Vorgestern war der 17. Besonderheiten, particularities. To form dates, you can either say the name of the month or use its appropriate ordinal number. Heute ist der 5. Juni, or you could say, heute ist der 5.6., because it's the 6th month of the year. After prepositions of time, we use the ending 10 or sten. Am 5. Juni ist mein Geburtstag. So the preposition here is am, and therefore we need to change the ending from te to ten. And another example. Am 25. fahre ich in den Urlaub. On the 25th, I'm going on vacation. When a date is given, some prepositions that come before the ordinal number also change. Von bis changes to vom bis zum. Let's have a look at this. Vom 5. bis zum 25. Juni habe ich Urlaub. Now we want to practice the ordinal numbers with this calendar. So first have a look at today's date. It's the 21st of October. So the very first question is, welcher Tag ist heute? Which day is today? Heute ist der 21. Oktober. Of course, you could also write this just as an ordinal number, 21 plus the dot. Yeah. Welcher Tag war gestern? Gestern war der 20. Oktober. Wann hat Max Frühdienst? When does Max have early shift? Max hat vom 1. November bis zum 7. November Frühdienst. Wann hat Max Geburtstag? Max hat am 17. November Geburtstag. So I hope this exercise has helped you to use the ordinal numbers in the proper way. And if you want to have more content like this, leave a message behind or a comment, and I will gladly help you. See you next time in the German Masterclass.